You need to maximize your SEO efforts if you want to succeed online. Let's face it, if you don't, your business will be left behind. SEO is a top priority for people who have a website. They're all doing it. Why aren't you? Ignoring it is basically ignoring your sales. But where should you begin? Simple. Start by assessing your site's current SEO. The easiest way to do this is with an SEO audit. See how your current site ranks and assess what you can do to improve it. What is an SEO audit? You can think of an SEO audit as an evaluation of website that grades the site for its ability to appear in search engine results pages or SERPs. Audits are completed by checking each steps on your audit list and finding any issues that need to be repaired or improved to boost your page's search engine performance. When we conduct an audit, we are checking the health of your website. So, how does our SEO audit work? We believe that each website has different issues, so our audit depends on what stage of your website is in. First, let me explain how our SEO audit works. We address your website from a site-wide SEO perspective. We will be providing you an intake form to know more about your website and your business. We will then checking your Google Analytics, web design, technical SEO, internal linking, page speed, indexation, citation, click-through rate optimization, schema, and more. The audit is for serious business owners only who want to increase organic traffic using SEO. The site audit costs $500 typically, but free for a limited time. So come on! What are you waiting for? Click the link below to request a free SEO audit. Let's get started.